the people there. So I was just informed that there was a problem with the link. I was yeah. I see that I'm live right now. Yes. Thank you. Apparently there was a problem with the link, but now we are back. I was explaining the difference of a typical trader in the banking sector and Expo, and just to summarize that, the difference is that we have physical products that we trade on. Business intelligence jobs, of course, there are some open positions that are related with other areas, other parts of the company besides trading and big data. I'm quite sure that you will find a lot of job openings in our main page. Then finally, a question about software engineers. Yes, it is. We have internal people internally that they supporting us with infrastructure, and so far they were supporting the typical infrastructure and the database that we have as Expo Trading. So they are software engineers, data engineers, and they have quite a lot of skills, and they support us in that transition. But currently we are testing new technologies. As I mentioned, the cloud that we understand and we discover new needs. We set new standards for our company, and that's why we would like to grow our team. So the question is about my daily work. Actually, we personally, the team that I mentioned of these 10 people across different countries, we are actually working on building the model. So we go through the whole process, gathering the data, collecting the requirements, and also implementing the model. So yeah, we are not the users. We have to communicate the results of our model with the users. We have regularly meetings with them to discuss their needs and understand their business intelligence, because at the end of the day, the idea is to create models and solutions that can give them more free time to spend in new projects and ideas and processes that they require the human intelligence, right? So we interact with the users of the model in order to train them and gather their requirements and their experience, but we actually code the model. If we leave aside the ETL tools, I can say that we have a pipeline that covers a few tens of thousands of lines of code. I mean, yeah, definitely we code a lot. And yes, we work with renewable energy, and we see there most of the potential that we have. Traditional sources like delivering energy to cities and stuff like that we have sophisticated solutions how to deal with that and reduce in an efficient way. But as Expo grows in renewable energy assets and expands in new areas, the world of wind and solar is becoming more and more relevant, especially because of the nature that is not predictable. You have a lot of changes, and that means that every day and every hour you have to make new decisions and adjust your previous expectations. So we are working with external providers, but also with internal tools that we have to provide feedback and manage the renewable assets. As far as I remember, Axpo has quite substantial share in renewables. I know, if I remember correctly, it's a double-digit percent in total, around 20% in Iberia, and also this is also the case in Nordics area, where we handle most of the capacity for our clients. So typically, a client will invest some money to build a wind turbine, and Axpo manage that area and that power. Besides winds, in Switzerland, we have a lot of hydro power plants that also are very flexible and can help us to can give us a lot of opportunities to optimize and work with them in order to end up with the optimization process of their schedule. So that was a lot of questions, interesting questions. I hope that you enjoy the project and this half an hour. Let me know if you have any more questions, or if you have something specific in mind. Feel free to contact me directly, and yeah, visit our website. There we have all the openings available. And thank you very much again. Have a nice evening. Bye.